For centuries humans have gazed at the stars and wondered, are we alone? But lately our gaze has shifted closer to home, to a rusty red neighbor in our cosmic backyard, Mars. Could this planet, once thought to be the dwelling of gods, become our next home? The idea of living on Mars isn't just science fiction anymore. Scientists and engineers are working hard to make it a reality. But before we pack our bags, we have some challenges to overcome. Mars, while intriguing, isn't exactly Earth-like. Imagine a planet with a sky that's not blue but a pale pink, where the air is thin and cold and the ground is dry and dusty. That's Mars in a nutshell. But even with these challenges, the dream of becoming a multi-planetary species is fueling our exploration. So buckle up and get ready for a journey to Mars, as we explore the science behind turning this red planet into our next potential home. Let's talk about air, or the lack thereof. On Earth, we take breathing for granted, but on Mars, the atmosphere is incredibly thin, about 1% the density of Earth's. That means taking a deep breath on Mars is like trying to breathe on top of Mount Everest. Not exactly ideal for a casual stroll. And it's not just the thin air we have to worry about. The Martian atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, with just a tiny bit of oxygen. That's bad news for us oxygen-breathing humans. To survive on Mars, we need to create our own breathable atmosphere. Think giant, sealed habitats filled with plants that scrub the air and produce oxygen. It's like creating mini-Earths within domes on Mars. So, while the Martian atmosphere presents a challenge, it's not insurmountable. With a little ingenuity, okay, maybe a lot, we can create environments where we can breathe easy on the red planet. Ever dreamed of being lighter? Well, pack your bags for Mars. The gravity on Mars is about 38% of Earth's. That means a 200-pound person on Earth would weigh just 76 pounds on Mars. Talk about an instant weight loss program. But before you start picturing yourself dunking a basketball with ease, there's a catch. While lower gravity might be fun at first, our bodies evolved to live with Earth's gravity. Long-term exposure to Martian gravity could weaken our bones and muscles. Scientists are still studying the long-term effects of Martian gravity on the human body. They're exploring solutions like exercise regimes and artificial gravity environments to keep us healthy and strong on the red planet. So while Martian gravity might make us feel light on our feet, maintaining our earthly strength will be crucial for thriving on this new frontier. Water everywhere but not a drop to drink? That's the situation on Mars, at least on the surface. While Mars seems like a dry, dusty planet, scientists believe there's plenty of water locked away beneath the surface, frozen in ice caps and possibly even in liquid form underground. Accessing this water will be crucial for any future Martian colony. Not only do we need it for drinking, but we can also use it to grow food, and even split it into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. Besides water, Mars also has other resources we can utilize. The soil, while not ideal, can be enriched and used for agriculture. And the Martian atmosphere, thin as it is, can provide us with carbon dioxide for plants and nitrogen for fertilizer. So while Mars might not be a resource paradise, it has the essentials we need to survive and thrive. With a little resourcefulness, pun intended, we can turn this Martian desert into a blooming oasis.